How's it going? Trey Clark from Trey Clark's Doghouse here, and we've got Kakoa that is a beautiful black lab in great shape, about 5 years old, that is used to living right on the beach in Hawaii, that is now in Houston and is kind of showing some different behavior, which is not all that crazy for me to understand, because the energy is going to go somewhere. If they're used to burning it off and they're not able to in the same manner, then they might get frustrated. And what we're going to do is find out a way to take his frustrated behavior, which seems to be going south when he gets around other strange dogs, when he's on the leash. And it's a big difference sometimes when they're just free running around, and when they're on the leash, they get a little more defensive and guarded. So we're going to work on that today. All right, so right now what we're going to do is kind of recreate in a controlled environment with the leash here. The leash is everything, and I know we're having trouble with other dogs on the leash. Go get Luna and Thor. All right, go. All right, so these are all the crazies, okay? Okay, the hair's all back on their hey, shh, it's all right. So what I'm gonna do is move. Hey, Luna, cut it out. Shh. This is literally the worst case scenario. And what I want to do is work through this. Shh. This is not like try this at home thing. What I'm looking for is for them. These are not easy dogs. Shh. So we're going to burn this out. Goose, cut it up. Luna, shh. This is a crazy situation, but it's time to do it. Shh. Cut it up. Okay? This is a puppy that I don't know that well, but it's still a puppy. I'm not worried about too much. So my whole deal is I'm going to keep him just a little bit off balance here. And what I'm looking for is a little bit of a situation where they start to get disinterested. This is going to get boring for them. Goose and Mocha are going to chill here in a minute. They'll get bored with it. But I want you to see there can be some, this is about as crazy commotion as there can be. These are not normal dogs you see at the park. Shh. Cut it out. Shh. Watch. Goose, come here. So I'm just trying to put them in this chaotic situation. And you have to work through it. There's no shortcut to it. Shh. Shh. All right, so all we're doing is we're working out the nerves. So we're going to go into this position. Now what's going to happen is they're starting to get disinterested. No tension on the leash. I've got everybody. Shh. Everyone's relaxed. But all we're doing is we're making friends. She's flirting is what she's doing. She should start showing a little less over-the-top stuff. This doesn't happen in 30 seconds. She wants to play. It looks chaotic. You did good. Shh. Hey! Not bad. This group of dogs, A+, all day long. So we're going to see if we can stay in this mode while we let out the second round of buffaloes. Let's do it, Beth. You're not looking for them to all be best friends. You're looking for them to kind of ignore each other. Be able to go about their business without being all up in each other's grill. So let's see what happens here. Shh. No reason to be that excited. So I'm going to stay on top of it. Yeti won't put up with it. All right, so it's not like ideal. I mean, it's kind of heightened tension, but we can get to this place. Shh. Shh. With different things going on here. Everyone's marking like crazy because there's all this testosterone going around. 1, 2, and then there's 2 female, or sorry, 1, 2, 3, and then the female. Cocoa is doing what I want. And these are all big dogs. This is cool. Everyone's chill. I'll take this. Shh. Come here. I can't ask for better than this. Come here. And this is how you socialize. You don't socialize by making them be best friends. You socialize by introducing them to dogs that are going to show interest, but be in front of this. When they go nose to nose, no bueno. They go underneath the carriage or up the butt, then they're probably okay. But if they turn around and go nose to nose, like that, shh. And there's no shortcut to it. This is perfect right here. So, I mean, it's a start. But he has to trust me. It doesn't work unless he does. Otherwise, I'm just another dog creeping up on him. And so that's what all the leash work leading up to this does. They have to trust me. This is not my dog. It's in training. This dog is a stray that got brought from Corpus Christi. I need to know when he's starting to get too stressed and he's probably had enough. I know that I can call him off even if he's growling. So that's why this is the way to do this. A lot of dogs have come up on him, and now he's relaxed enough to where everything's cool. They're going to relax more now. Shh. Can we just chill? So the idea for these videos, the dog is not fixed. Cocoa is not by any stretch going to be a totally different dog after some exercises. But we did collect some data. What data is that? Well, first of all, it is false to say that Cocoa cannot be around a lot of other dogs he has not met on a leash in a very stressful situation. So now that we know that, we can do anything because we know it can happen. So it's just a matter of getting there. So we figure out what works and we rinse and repeat and rinse and repeat and stay confident and be kind to animals, be kind to each other, be kind to yourself. My name is Trey Clark. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers. This is cool. Everyone's chill.